Hey, I'm back for another quick video, and today let's install Kubernetes dashboard in our cluster using Helm and ACE. For those who don't know, Kubernetes dashboard is a web-based user interface that provides an easy way to monitor and manage your clusters and the applications running on them. And Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes that makes installing and upgrading applications on your cluster much easier and also faster. So here I will very quickly tell ACE I want to install Kubernetes dashboard via Helm on the cluster demo and EKS. Let's hit enter, and now we just need to wait for ACE to run its magic. So while ACE is going through the steps to get our Kubernetes dashboard installed, I think it's worth mentioning exactly what's happening right now. ACE is an agent AI, so it doesn't just take a command and execute it in a linear way. ACE understands your prompt as a mission, and it has the autonomy and the means to make decisions on how to accomplish this mission, solving problems along the way and trying different approaches, all to deliver what you want with minimal external help. So ACE finished here, and like always, it's giving us a summary of everything that happened, and it's also giving us a guide on how to access the dashboard. So first we need to do some port forwarding so we can connect to the dashboard from our local host. And now we're ready to go. So now we can take this link and we can paste it on the browser. And just like that, here we have Kubernetes dashboard ready to be used. And now we're free to monitor and administer a cluster using this user-friendly interface.